So I have a bunch of modern dating terms that I would like to
God.
ask you.
I don't know if I'll know them.
I know. So I'm just gonna ask you. I will also tell you the meaning of it. Don't worry. I was scarred at what was happening, but I would love to know if you have ever heard them or
Sure.
what do you think they mean?
Sure.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Situationship. Let's start.
Yeah. So that is pretty common. It's where two people are in something, but they don't really know the head or tail of
Yeah.
where it's going.
Okay.
It's, I think, the modern lexicon for like semi booty call / you're together but you're not together.
Yeah. You could be booty call, but you could be serious.
Serious,
in
but
the middle.
you're nowhere. You're
Yeah.
neither here or you're there. I mean, this
Yeah.
kind of person texts you at 3 a.m. and says, "You up?"
Yeah.
Yeah. So
True. Breadcrumbing.
yeah, breadcrumbing is I have heard of it, is leading someone on, but then not actually committing.
Yeah.
So I know I've heard of a lot of people doing it where they will woo the person, like court them, take them out, do everything, but then never cross, and never cross that point.
Yeah.
It'll like the minute someone's getting close, they will then pull back.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Hansel and Gretel, no, and the
Yeah.
breadcrumbs. Yeah.
When I heard it, I was like, what?
Yeah,
What
I've
is
heard
even
of
this
that. And it's a
term?
real thing.
It's a real thing.
So people who enjoy the chase or the
Yeah.
thrill tend to sort of breadcrumb, but it's an awful lot of time and
Yeah.
effort. If
To
like
just-
eventually, you know,
You're not ready to kind of
exactly,
commit. Yeah.
exactly.
Okay. Benching.
Putting someone on hold.
Yeah.
Not sure. Yeah.
It's that
Like,
football
yeah,
benching
football
term that they've
Yeah,
made it into this.
yeah.
Textationship.
You only text, don't meet. Is it? Yeah.
I like getting.
I hadn't heard it before, but
Yeah. Stashing.
having like 4 people on the side, like exploring, like you have a stash. Yeah.
I gotta say, but it's more like, you know how you have a stash and you keep it hidden?
Oh, you
So the
hide,
person is like, yeah, it's
oh
never
my God, like the
introduced.
secret,
Yeah.
like a Netflix show, like, you know, when someone judges you for watching some Kapil Sharma
Yeah,
stuff, and they're like, "मैंने थोड़ी देखा ये कोई
Yeah. This
किसी
is
और
this
का
is not
होगा."
me, yeah. So roaching is what you said, apparently. That means when you're secretly dating multiple people.
like a cockroach.
Yeah.
Oh God.
So these terms have come from that. And when I was first told of it, I said, what do y'all do? So I'm in a textationship with this person. And I was like, that's normal texting. Like, what do you mean? Like,
But
what
they
do
never
you
meet,
mean? Yeah,
right?
they never meet.
It'll always be like, "Oh, next
It's like a
week,
pen
next week."
friend, right? Like, I mean, I don't know. I was just very amazed at.
It's like that. I think there was a Netflix documentary on this
Yeah.
Sweet Bobby about this
Yeah,
lady
yeah.
who's in an online relationship with someone for a decade without ever meeting.
Yeah.
That's just crazy. Like, how can you not know you're being scammed? Like, if you don't see it, hear
Yeah.
it, feel it, it's not happening.
Like, I guess there are like few delusional people. There's something on that also. Delusionship.
You think this is a relationship, but in reality, it's not.
Yeah.
Like you're delulu.
Yeah,
they
like you're
say.
delulu, I guess. It's more like you imagine or
yeah.
idealize a relationship, but there's no relationship. So I mean, it's like basically normal feelings that I think we felt, but they're all just given terms.
It's one-sided,
Yeah,
probably.
very one-sided.